Dear students, I am once again back with you with yet another topic, and this topic is what we call as magnetism. A very commonplace word once again. All of us know what magnets are. We have been playing with magnets since our childhood, and as the time passes by, we have more and more number of magnets, more advanced magnets, electromagnets, different kind of magnets. So basically, what is magnetism? Here, my purpose is to discover the core of all the physical concepts. So, let us explore a bit as to what magnetism means. So, magnetism as a term basically denotes the attraction or repulsion of something because of a magnetic substance. For example, if this is a magnet, so we know that this magnet can attract iron fillings. If you have iron fillings, this magnet can attract. But it cannot attract plastic, it cannot attract paper. So last time in my electrostatics, I showed you an experiment where I rubbed a pen with my hair and then I brought it near to the pieces of paper and they were attracted. Now that attraction was not magnetic because a magnet does not attract paper. So that attraction was electrostatic attraction basically based on charges. We know that there are fixed charges and then those charges they attract another charge particle. But here like it's not that case because a magnet attracts only few substances, for example iron fillings or some other magnetic substances, maybe steel or cobalt. Now also one interesting thing is if you have two magnets, and let me draw two magnets here. Magnets are something like this. Suppose this is a rectangular kind of magnet. I am just drawing the view as I see it from here. So if you bring this magnet close to another magnet, then this magnet either attracts it or it repels it also. You can conduct this experiment if you have not done. Just buy two magnets and bring it near. Just put it on the ground and bring it near. So you will find that this is moving either away or towards it. So either it attracts or repels. Now how does it happen? It's surprising because in electrostatic attraction, if I rub my something on my hair and bring it near to the bits of paper, they are only attracted. So what scientists have discovered is that each magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. North pole and south pole. So these are the names given. So there is nothing like north and south in nature, but we have given names like north and south. For example, we say positive and negative charges. So you can imagine that this is something like a positive charge here, this is something like a negative charge here. Positive, negative. Now interesting thing is, just like charges repel each other, positive repels negative, negative repels. Similarly, if you bring north pole close to the north pole, if you bring north close to north pole, then there is a repulsion. So how do you know it? If you bring it near, you will find that this magnet suddenly moves back. You bring it close, it rushes back. And if you bring the south pole, if you reverse this magnet, like reverse it and bring it, then there is an attraction. Immediately this magnet will run and catch it. It will be attracted to this magnet. So there is an attraction in that case. So this behavior somewhat tells that there is something similar in magnetism to charges, but these are still not charges. So my question is, how is this magnetism produced? So this is an in-depth discussion, but at our level, at our fundamental level, I can say this thing. See, a charge creates an attraction towards another charge particle. So whenever there are charges, there is electrostatics. Now there is another situation when charges are moving. So I will say that magnetism is the result of मूविंग चार्जेस. थोड़ा सा आपको ये सेंटेंस कंफ्यूजिंग लगेगा कि मीन्स मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ. मैं इसको सिंपल वर्ड्स में कहूँगा कि जब हम मूविंग चार्जेस की बात कर रहे हैं तो आपके घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आती है. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? that is charges in motion. Let me tell you that is charges in motion. तो ये जो तार होते हैं उसमें चार्जेस फ्लो कर रहे होते हैं, यही हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं ये दे आर कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग, एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू कॉल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. So therefore, when I am talking of moving charges, I am referring to electricity. So if I say in very simple words, then I can say that electricity produces magnetism. Moving charges means electricity, and it is electricity that produces magnetism. So in our studies, as we'll see a bit later when you go past your class 10th in higher secondary, and what we say is, if there is a current carrying wire, this is a wire in which a current is flowing in this direction, and if you, let us say, bring another wire near to it, so these are two wires which are carrying currents, then what is found is that both of them are attracted towards each other. But now when you stop the current, there is no attraction. As you start the current, again there is attraction. So the wires will, if you hang them, let us say here, you will find that somehow if they are hanging from these two points, and as you pass current, you will immediately find that they are coming near, and you stop the current, they go away again. So that shows that this current, it creates some magnetism around it, and this current also creates some magnetism around it. So in one way we can say they behave like some sort of magnets, they become magnetized. The same thing happens in your bells. When you press the button, the current flows, and again the current creates a magnet. Because of that magnet, like the gong gets attracted and hits it, and you hear a sound. So therefore, in very simple words, it's electricity produces magnetism. So you can clearly differentiate electricity from fixed charges, unmoving charges, the charges which are not moving. So charges which are not moving, they also create attraction, but only on other charges. But something which has a current, it creates magnetism. So either it will attract another magnet, for example, two current carrying wires, they become sorts of magnets. They become sort of magnets, so they'll attract each other. Or another possibility is you bring this magnet close to some iron fillings which are not actually magnets, but they will also be attracted. So a magnet, it can attract or repel another magnet, and a magnet can attract some magnetic materials. तो वो मैग्नेट एक नॉन मैग्नेट को भी अट्रैक्ट कर लेता है, बट दैट मटेरियल शुड बी नॉन मैग्नेटिक. अब वो कैसे होता है, अभी उस पर हम बात नहीं करेंगे कि एक मैग्नेट, एक नॉन मैग्नेटिक जो सब्सटेंस है विच इज़ नॉट मैग्नेटिक, उसमें ऐसी क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं कि कुछ चीज़ें मैग्नेट से अट्रैक्ट होती हैं. उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे, मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल्स एंड ऑल, वो थोड़ा हायर टॉपिक है. बट अभी के लिए मेरा आपको समझाने का उद्देश्य ये था कि मैग्नेटिज्म बेसिकली इज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ करंट. तो आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि जो हमारा अर्थ है, ये पूरा प्लेनेट, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ मैग्नेट. हम इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि अर्थ के कोर पे, इफ यू सी दिस इज अर्थ and this is the north pole and this is the south pole, so you can imagine that there is a small magnet placed here with the north and south pole. Okay, so with the north and south pole, this is a magnet. You can imagine इसकी डायरेक्शन कैसे होंगी, बाद में हम बात करेंगे सारी कि कैसे रखी है मैग्नेट. बट along these are two poles basically, north pole and south pole. So in between these two poles we can see that there is a magnet placed. Okay, तो उसमें दो पॉसिबिलिटी होती है, हमने कैसे लेंगे, साउथ नॉर्थ है या नॉर्थ साउथ है, इस पर भी हम बात नहीं करेंगे कौन सा पोल कहाँ रखा हुआ है. बट एक मैग्नेट है, और वो मैग्नेट जो है वो हमारे चारों ओर उसका मैग्नेटिज्म है. यहाँ पे देयर इज अ मैग्नेटिज्म ऑल अराउंड अस. हाउ डू आई नो इट? बिकॉज व्हेन यू पुट अ मैग्नेटिक नीडल आपने देखी होंगी छोटी सी कंपास में जो रखी होती है, तो वो अगर आप उसको घुमाते हैं तो उसके ऊपर आप देखते हैं रोटेट करती है एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में, और वो अपने आप को नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन में नीडल अलाइन क्यों कर लेती है? वो इट अलाइंस इटसेल्फ इन द नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. व्हाट डज इट इंडिकेट? इंडिकेट्स दैट देयर इज अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और वो जो नीडल है वो अपने आप को एक फिक्स डायरेक्शन में अलाइन कर लेती है, ओरिएंट कर लेती है. आई मीन टू से दैट इट becomes in that direction. It aligns itself in north south direction. So there is a magnet created by earth. इससे क्या पता लगता है कि क्या कुछ अर्थ के अंदर करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने ये कहा भी कि करंट प्रोड्यूसेस मैग्नेट्स. सो यस, दैट इज व्हाट scientists are saying. They are still not through the exact process of what is happening inside the earth, but they say that there is a molten material and some sort of current is flowing in the core of the earth which is creating this magnetism. तो उसको हम अक्सर एक ऐसा छोटा सा मैग्नेट रख के दर्शा देते हैं that earth is a magnet. So our planet earth itself is a magnet, and all the current carrying things around you, whenever there is a current flowing, there is magnetism associated with it. Actually तो हम whenever I am talking of magnetism and charges, then there are two more terms which we will discuss later on. Those terms are इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रिक और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होते हैं ये दिस इज द कॉज ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. सो दिस इज द ओनली नॉलेज विच आई वांटेड टू गिव you as of now. See you in the next video.